Hello mga katropa! Alam nyo ba, dito sa Nagoya, Japan, meron din pala ditong ukay-ukay na katulad sa Pilipinas, di ba? Napunta kasi kami dito sa may Osu Shopping District sa may Nagoya.
Wow.
We're in Japan, no, Nagoya. So, we're in a thrift shop. So, mostly second-hand or used dress from personalities.
Yeah.
This one is from Elvis Presley.
Wow.
Yeah. No, 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 no.
Champions.
Oh, really?
Anything like
Okay.
a
So, what's your
fancy
name?
shirt? My name is Miho.
Me?
Miho.
Miho. What's the meaning of that in Japanese?
What do you mean?
Miho, like a little girl, like that? No.
Like no,
No.
it's really hard to
Or
explain.
or noodles, like Mihon. Bihon.
Neon.
No,
It sounds like that,
Yeah.
but really different meaning.
Okay, so we're doing an interview, not face to face, no? Side by side interview. Because our guest for today is very shy.
Yeah, yeah.
Miho daw, Miho. Only from Japan, all Japan.
It can come from USA as well.
Ah,
But some people go to USA and buy the clothing
okay.
and
They
come back to Japan.
they buy in
and-
bulk.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Same in the Philippines. What we call it there is we have a ukay. Okay, in Tagalog, ukay, you select. That's like ukay. So until you find your love or you
Wow.
find your favorite
Something that you
second
like.
hand dress.
Wow.
Here, what do you call it here?
I don't know how to explain.
So, it's okay, But anyway, thank you for the side by side interview.
It's okay. I didn't do anything.
It's nice meeting you. I'll just show you from the afar. Just wave your hand. Come on.
Wow.
See, bye bye.
Please subscribe. What's that?
CMG channel.
MG channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take from the app.
Wow. So guys, we're going out already here at the thrift shop here in Nagoya, and Mihon is saying goodbye.
Bye bye.
You know,